sneak peek of my Eid outfit. About to take a Polaroid picture. My mum's secret best recipe. I love this from her. Hey beautiful, how are you? Hope you're having a good day. Can't believe half of Ramadan is over. That is insane. So today's plan, I have 2 events to go to. Both of them are like kind of pop-in sort of style, and then I'm meeting my sibling in Central and I'm gonna treat them to an Eid present. They're younger than me. I wish I was a younger sibling. I really do, because you guys have it the best. It's raining outside and I'm wearing such a cute outfit, like this abaya. This British weather, man, it's just jarring. What is this nonsense? This event was to celebrate their new release. It's a brow gel and something to fill in the brows. This was so fun. About to take a Polaroid picture. So watch me do that. No worries, thank you. I never used to be good at posing, but I'm getting better. I'm gonna make a keyring, I think. So they've added the clasp for us, and there's so many different beads here. There's like these colourful ones, I think pastel.
It's got a comb to it, which is absolutely unreal. It'll hold every hair exactly where you want it and place it straight away.
So this is how it looks. It's kind of flat and it has these small brushes.
And then on the back it's got like a little ridge as well, so you can lay it flat to your head as well.
Yeah, because I normally use my finger.
Yeah, oh, you don't need to.
But I can feel it like laying and gripping the hair, because I feel like I have to go a couple times with like my spoolie and stuff.
No, literally don't need to do that anymore.
We're just talking through the, what is this called?
Big bush brow.
Big bush brow. So this kind of fills in your brow. And that's the one. You can see. I'm loving it.
So you've got a bit of a firmer side and a more sparse side. So the firm side can fill in the brow hairs, and then that side will just lay them flat for you.
I've just got my brows filled in. That product looks really good, and I know I'm gonna like it, especially the one with the pigment. I think for every day, like when you're in a rush, it's really good because it takes time to get these brows looking good. Cute. I've left the event and I'm gonna go to the other one. It's in Selfridges. Then I'm gonna meet my sibling as well. It's so busy because I think it's school holiday time. Okay, let's go. Look at this. Yeah, Suku, by the way, and I'm just picking up some bits and bobs to look at their new collection. It's in Selfridges. They have a store. Let me show you around. I love this foundation, by the way. It's so lightweight. You've got the eyeshadow. I am home now, finally, and I am so drained right now. I think the walking just did me. From Tottenham Court Road to Selfridges, I swear we were walking for days. That's how it felt. But alhamdulillah, I'm home now. I'm gonna get on ready, have iftar and pray. The makeup still looks so good though. Rains are the worst in London, honestly. As soon as I get on them, I just want to get off. It's so hot. Like 1 minute you're cold because it's raining, you're wearing a jacket, you go in the train, it is boiling, packed, you're like sardines, yeah, and then you go out and then you're freezing again. And anyway, point part is I'm home, babe. Tomorrow I got an iftar that my mom's hosting, and I'm going to be helping her as well, so I'll most likely see you then. Bye. There's so many PR packages. Let's unbox them together. There's some exciting pieces in there. Sneak peek of my Eid outfit. I'm gonna try it on for you guys because this, I'm gonna tag the page and put the link down below, so please do check them out. I love this piece from them, and it comes with a bag. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you the color. I'm loving it. I don't think I've ever worn blue for Eid. I love pearl detailing, like the dangly stuff on Asian attire. It's quite modest as well because it has the wide leg trouser. Try this on because you can't visualize it until I try it on, right? You ready for this reveal? Cause what? Oh my goodness, I'm loving it. I got this in size small, by the way. I'm around a 8 to 10 and it fits me perfectly. I'm in love with the color. I'm going to show you how it looks without the dupatta so you can see the design. It actually comes with a bag. Girl. I'm glad I'm not wearing makeup because I feel like otherwise it would have been fully spoiled, but it's still looking good. Like, look at the way the light is hitting it right now. 10 out of 10. I got a PR package from Cult Beauty and they're also giving me a discount code, so if you're looking to buy anything you can use the discount code. It's not affiliated or anything, it's just for you guys to get some money off your products. Eid is coming up, we're trying to make our makeup look good, so check Cult Beauty out. The rice powder cleanser. This is like finely milled rice powder, and then you pour it out from the hole, mix it with water, and it's like a great gentle exfoliator. And then Community 66, this is a makeup removing melting balm. Oh, I love a melting balm. You have the Paula's Choice 6% lactic acid. It's like an exfoliating product. Product is hair conditioner. Love that, need that. A package from Makeup Revolution. I quickly wanted to show you it because it is for the 10-year birthday. If you've been following me for a long time, you know I've been posting about their products a lot. The eyeshadows, the lip gloss, the highlighter. How cute. They gave these cookies and I think I'm gonna send one of these to you guys and add it to my giveaway pie. To go to my mum's now to help her with some iftar food because some family are coming over. As like your parents got older, I just noticed how they're able to do things that they did like when we were younger less. So I just like to go around and help her where I can. And since I have a car, it's so easy. That's what motivated me the most to start learning how to drive, so I could help her more. Let's go because I need to go to the supermarket for her. I'm gonna make chicken wings, aloo chop and kebab, but we call it kima bora. And then we got lamb chops, which she made yesterday. For the wings, we want it to be super dry before you dip it into the potato starch. The potato starch makes it super crispy. If you've not tried it, try it. So we just put potato starch on the chicken wings. And this is going to make it crispy, and we're going to make naga wings with these. That's why they're looking a bit plain. And then my mom's making the kebab. She put kebab seasoning, chapli kebab seasoning, onions, coriander, salt. She used this one.
Onion and
Yeah, salt.
onion.
Garlic this one.
Oh, garlic, ginger.
Garlic and ginger. Making this aloo chop, so you just dip it in egg first. And she added like fried onion in this, potato, salt, all the seasoning. We just made some of the aloo chop. It's how it looks. We froze some because you can use these as well. My mom's just frying it. She's deep frying it, so she double fries it. So she shallow fries it first and then deep fries it again. Like this golden color, by the way, super crispy. Making the aloo chop. This doesn't need to be fried for too long. only a short amount of time until it's golden. We need to get some ingredients, so I'm gonna quickly go pop to the shop. We're just getting out all of the, you know, plates and whatnot, getting it ready so we're not running around later on. I'm making the spicy naga wing, so I'm putting the garlic and ginger first, and you just have to brown that off for a while. Once it becomes like this, I'm gonna add the onion. See if we need that. This is the secret ingredient for the naga wings, Mr. Naga. You're gonna add this, and then a tiny bit of ketchup. I just added the salt in the mix, by the way. We're just waiting for the peppers to kind of soften a bit. A bit of the lemon. Added, like, I would say 2 to 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Gonna add the Mr. Naga. Then 1.5 tablespoons of this. To start off with, we'll be looking something like this. The coriander. And yeah. A lot of wings, yallah. So I just stirred the wings until it was coated, and then I just boiling the rice in the pot, and once it's like half cooked, she's gonna add it to the calendar. She's gonna sieve it out, make the rice super fluffy and nice. So the rice so far, so it's not fully cooked, it's just half cooked. I'm gonna add a bit of saffron, by the way, and she's adding rose water and kirwa water. This is gonna be added in between the layers. It's gonna give it a nice taste and smell. It's dried plum, so good, to the biryani in the layers. So it's gonna add the rice, some of it, the milk, saffron, rose water I showed you earlier, and then mint leaf. This with the spices, gonna be really good. Adding the rice on top, and then she's gonna put the coriander and mint leaves. She's gonna put some plum. This is my favorite, I love it. It gives like a sweet sour taste. If you've never tasted it, it tastes good. By the way, this is not like Bangladeshi style biryani. This is like a mixture of Pakistani sort of style. So she's adding the milk. Oh, she added milk powder with hot water and saffron.
Ghee.
And she got melted ghee here as well. Oh, it smells so good, guys. I'm getting hungry. And some mint leaves as well. She layers it. She's gonna put it on the stove for the rice to fully cook, by the way, and then she's gonna take it off the stove, and it's gonna infuse all of the flavors together. This is my mom's secret best recipe. I love this from her. So good. She's just saying she's just laying everything. Whatever we just added, she's gonna add that until it reaches the top. She's just steaming the rice now, so she filled it to the top, and she's just put this so it stays secure. This is the biryani done. Frying the samosas. We're warming up the lamb chop curry. 3 types of samosa. The biryani. This is the potato one. And this is like lamb kebab, aloo chop. Got the wings, steak. And I got the sauces as well. And my mum got Finley. It's like a rice pudding, it's not. I'm done now. We have tidied everything like that. Oh, you haven't seen my face on camera, I've just been working. Let me show you. I've cleaned everything. Packed food as well. I'm ready to go home. Hey my love, I completely forgot to end the last clip properly. I think I was just exhausted, so I'm just actually editing my Eid tutorial right now, and it's entered the last 10 nights of Ramadan, which is very important and crucial for us as Muslims, especially the odd night. So I'm not going to pick up the camera too much, but I will pick it up for Eid, and you would inshallah expect an Eid vlog. Regarding the giveaway, I would have commented in the comment section of this video or the description box, and I would have got in touch with the winner already, and you know, tell them they're the winner, as you do. Don't worry guys, there will be definitely more giveaway. I think that is it, done. Make sure that you like, comment, and yeah, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.